Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'll be showing you guys on how you can sign up with Spotify on OnlyFans. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you right now. First of all, you just have to log into your OnlyFans account by going to your Google browser and then inputting onlyfans.com, which will take you to the official website of OnlyFans. Now just put in your credentials for your account and log into your account. After you have been logged into your account, go on to My Profile. And here you can see there is sign in with Spotify on the right side of your screen. Click on it. After that, you'll be taken to a different page where you can sign in or log into Spotify with your Google account, your Facebook, or even your Apple. And also, you can just input your email or username and password to log into your Spotify account with OnlyFans. Now, if you ever forgot your password, you can also easily reset your password by using this button, Forgot Your Password. And now, this is how you can sign up with OnlyFans with Spotify. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.